See man, I am another. From Kingston corners to African rivers, from dusty vinyl to eternal fire, the prophets still sing through the speaker boxes. The lion never sleeps. Yeah. I hear the footsteps of the elders in the rain tonight. Old guitars crying under broken city lights. Voices from trench town rising through the smoke. Songs of freedom written for them poor and broke. Peter beat the system with a rebel sound. Bob plant a revolution all around. Bunny carry wisdom like a burning scroll, while the bassline thunder shake the human soul. The drums keep talking like an ancient priest, calling every sufferer from west to east. Chains may rattle but the spirit stand. Roots reggae power spreading across the land, and every heartbeat carry one vibration. Every street corner sing emancipation. From ghettos to mountains the fire still blaze. Legends never die, they illuminate the haze. Legends of reggae never fade away. The voices still rising with the break of day. One love forever in the people's soul. Let the bassline make the broken all low. Your fire keep burning bright through every dark road and every fight. The kings of reggae still guide the way. Legends never fade away. Burning spear chanting like a warrior king. Culture of Africa in every word him sing. Gregory floating with that velvet pain. Love and sorrow dancing in the falling rain. Dennis Brown, the crown prince, shine so clean. Sweetest melodies the world have seen. Toots bring thunder with a gospel flame. Jimmy Cliff make the whole world know the name. Yellow man laugh in the face of despair. Turn every hardship into something rare. Max Romeo singing truth with fire. Lift the youth higher and higher and higher. Morning run higher. Everyone drop drums. Warm organ bubbles. Emotionally ill guitar. Crying slowly. Deep on a lot day. Sliding like ocean wave. Crowd chants in background. One love. One love. Reggae not music alone. Nah. Reggae a heartbeat. Reggae a scripture for the weak. A lighthouse in storm water. A lion voice in concrete jungle. Every crack in the pavement got a story to tell. Every old selector ring a freedom bell. From yard roots culture to the world still light. The reggae spirit still prepared to fight. Third world harmony touching the skies. Horace and the voice make the angels cry. Sugar might not whisper sweet and low, while the rhythm keep flowing like river flow. Tell me, can you hear them through the static air? Old rebel prophets everywhere. In every vinyl scratch and every drum roll sound, the reggae king still gather round. The earth may change, empires fall, but roots music